Hi there, I'm Jules from thisstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So for our soup I've got 3 cups of chicken stock at a rapid boil there. So I'm going to get my spinach in. I'm just using 2 packets, so 500 grams, about a pound all up, of frozen spinach. And that's been out of the freezer for a little while, but not very long. So we just want to just cook that until it defrosts essentially. So just give it a couple of minutes to come back to the boil. Great, so when that comes back up to the boil, I've got time to get the eggs in. And there's 2 options. You can either cook the eggs kind of more in one chunk and kind of then break them up after, so you get like kind of chunky bits of egg through the soup, or if you want more of a kind of Chinese egg drop kind of vibe, you can stir the soup as you go. So what I'm going to do is this is boiling like crazy, so we'll turn it off. And then I've got 4 eggs that I've just beaten with 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan and a bit of salt. When it's cooled down to a gentle simmer, I'm going to get my egg in and then just leave it stand for a minute. Great, so when the soup's when it's just had like a minute to stand, or it's been simmering more than I would have liked, just have a look and just give it a gentle stir. And beautiful. And when the egg looks cooked, then you can just you can stand it for a bit longer if you want the eggs not looking cooked, but I think that's looking great. Then I'm just going to divide that between 2 bowls and then finish it with a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, some extra grated Parmesan, and some chopped nuts, roast nuts. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thisstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.